When I was being introduced to Fastly, my manager said, GIPHY could not exist without Fastly. And at the time, I'm kind of like, that seems a little dramatic, you know? It's a CDN, I'm sure we could exist without Fastly. But over time, I came to appreciate what he meant. You know, some of the biggest and best companies in the industry are using it, so let's see what GIPHY can do with it. GIPHY is a popular visual communication platform. We are home to GIFs, stickers, clips, and we're integrated with all the most popular platforms on the internet. So Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, iOS. We have artists on the platform that are publishing some really cool animated art, but it's also part of kind of the zeitgeist. You know, everyone kind of knows these famous GIFs from different sitcoms, from different award shows and all of that, different sporting moments. And you can find all of that like on GIPHY, and people enjoy the product. It's not changing the world, but it is helping make the internet a little bit more fun. We serve a lot of content, a lot of media. That's a lot of data transfer. Billions of search requests every day and tens of billions of media loads every day. It's a challenge as an SRE to kind of keep the site running. We want to engineer around not having outages versus fighting the outages. The cost savings that we get by using Fastly for our media transfers is enormous compared to using our cloud provider strictly for that. We do over a petabyte per month of data. If we were to just go with our cloud provider and just deliver stuff from our object storage there, it's hundreds of thousands of dollars, I could say, that, you know, GIPHY was able to save early on. Not to mention all the benefits we get in performance, you know, being closer to our customers, being closer to the users, and, you know, every request that Fastly can serve from cache to our API customers is one less thing that our compute servers need to compute, and we can run less compute and stuff because we're able to maintain somewhere around a 50% hit ratio on our API. So data transfer, compute, it's just all, you know, it really eases the burden that we have on our cloud and really helps reduce that cloud bill by having Fastly. Another way that I've come to appreciate Fastly and how we use it is our entire analytics are based on the data we get from Fastly logs. All of our search requests are logged and then processed overnight, and we're able to determine things such as what searches are being underserved. You know, where do we need to focus our content efforts based entirely on data that we get from Fastly. So really powerful logging endpoints, and we keep building on top of those logging endpoints because that data is so valuable, and we find other new ways to use it. So in the past year, GIPHY has implemented Next-Gen WAF, and it's really helped us both secure our platform and make it more reliable. As a pretty popular platform, there's a lot of malicious actors that try to poke holes in our securities. It's a problem for us because, one, you know, if there happened to be a vulnerability, you know, it could be a problem. Next-Gen WAF, you know, we were able to turn it on and set some rules and immediately it's blocking things. It's identifying all these malicious actors, and it's not making its way to our code at all. It's being blocked right there at the edge. It's been really great, and you know, shockingly easy to use too.